Come get your present.
What's in there? It's a present from Grandma. Present from Grandma.
Oh, what is it? Need help pulling it out?
What do you see there? Oh, I love it.
Open it.
Oh, what is it, Eden? Paper and a shirt. Oh, it's such a cute little shirt. Oh, I love it, baby. It's so pretty. Oh, look at this one. Oh, it's so pretty. It has beautiful flowers on it. Is it beautiful? And some riches. Oh, Eden, it's so cute. Look at these riches. They're so cute.
Can you wave to Grandma? Can you wave?
Can you say hi?
Say thank you, Grandma.
Paper. Oh, you want to open the card? Can I see the card? I'll open it for you. Or you want to put it back in there? That's a good idea too.
Tell Grandma bye.
Say bye-bye. Can you wave? Wave at Dad. Wave. Can you wave? Bye.
Eden.